In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your store currency on Shopify. So let's just jump into this right away. For this, you need to sign into your Shopify account, go into the backend, and then click on settings in the bottom left corner, just like that. When you're here, you want to find general, which is right there, like it's like the first option. If you're not able to find it, I recommend selecting the search bar and then simply searching for general, and it will show up. However, I'm pretty sure you'll be able to find it, so just click on general right there. Then all the way down, you should be able to find store currency. This is the currency your products are sold in. After your first sale, currency is locked in and can be changed, okay? So make sure you go ahead and do this before your first sale. Click right here, and then you can choose any other currency out there. For example, if I want to change this from euros to US dollars, I simply choose USD or British pounds or Canadian dollars, whatever currency you want to use. Select it and then click on save right there, and there you go. Settings saved, and I just changed the store currency on Shopify. So if this video helps you out, leave a like on the video, and then I'll see you next time.